Hi, I'm Rich Close, and today's iPhone tutorial is on how to search settings for a particular setting. Please make sure to click the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also visit richclose.com. Okay, so settings. Again, it's the gear icon. You can search for it by scrolling down and typing in settings, right? And I'll just, SET will get you there if you don't know where it is on your iPhone. And it opens up the settings menu. Now, if you're like me, the settings menu is so complicated. There's so many features that you can set or unset. I have trouble remembering where they're at. So, for example, I happen to know one that I like to use a lot is my iPhone storage, and it's under General. And then I go to iPhone storage, and it calculates and tells me how full my iPhone is. I'm going to go back out and show you a different way. If you can't remember where things are at, if you scroll all the way to the top of the search menu, there's a search bar here. And again, you can just type in what you think it might be. So I'm going to type in storage, and you can see it starts to filter the list based on what I'm looking for. So again, there's iCloud storage, and it helps narrow it down. And I remember now, oh, it's under general storage. I click on that, and it takes me quickly to that screen where the storage is at. So I use the search capability a lot within settings, again, because I can't remember where things are at. The settings go down so many levels. It's really kind of challenging. So use the search feature in settings to find the setting that you're looking for to adjust your phone. I'll do another one. Let's just say I don't remember where brightness is at, screen brightness, right? I want to change that. So I'm going to just put in brightness and see what comes up here. So there's display and brightness. I click on that, and it takes me to the screen where I can adjust the brightness on my phone. So again, thank you for watching my YouTube videos. Again, please click the link below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and visit my website where you can find more iPhone tutorials and a link to my iPhone seminar.